Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the alternator on a BMW F10. The alternator is located on the top of the engine. First we start by loosening the plastic covers and removing the bolts on the metal plates. To remove the alternator, you need to remove the cooling fan so that you can get access to the serpentine belt. And then you need to disconnect the battery and afterwards remove the alternator. Now that the metal plate is loose, we will remove it and we will get access to the cooling fan. To remove the cooling fan, you need to disconnect the connector, and there is two bolts, Torx bolts, that hold the cooling fan, and then you need a screwdriver to push the pins on the two sides so that the cooling fan comes out. This is the plastic pin that you need to push with the screwdriver to take out the cooling fan. But first we need to remove the two Torx bolts. So now we use a screwdriver to push the plastic pin, and here is the cooling. This side came out, now the other side. Once the two sides are released, now we can lift up the cooling fan, but it's a very tight space, so you might need to push some hoses or pipes in so that you can make more space. And here is the cooling fan is out. Next we will remove the serpentine belt. The tensioner for the serpentine belt is just over there, this one. So we need a long ratchet and a socket so that we release the tension on the tensioner so that we can take out the belt. And that's it. We removed the belt from the tensioner, and we can take out the belt and change it maybe. Next, to remove the alternator. The alternator is held by two bolts, one on top, one on bottom on the left side. We also need to remove the power wire, which is held by a 13mm nut, and there is also a connector that we need to disconnect. Now we'll remove the two bolts that hold the alternator. We'll start with the bolt on the bottom, and then we'll do the bolt on top. If the video is useful, consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos, and give the video a thumbs up. Now that we remove the two bolts, we need to take out the alternator, but we might need to pry out the alternator a little bit, because it might not want to come out, but with a little bit of prying out, it will come out eventually. And I think that's it. We're taking out the alternator.